Good morning everybody. It's the weekend, it's Saturday, about 9 o'clock. Out on my bike, on my gravel bike. I'm waiting to get my road bike bag. And today I'm doing a bit of off-road, kind of easy off-road. So I'm going to ride the Brampton Valley Way. I've ridden it before, it's easy. I love the tunnels, they're really fun. Make sure you have lights. It's a nice day, so yeah, let's do this. So the plan on this day was a mix of gravel and road. The gravel section taking me down the Brampton Valley Way, a disused railway track, to Pitsford Water, then some Northamptonshire hills, loop over to one of my favourite cafes, 60-ish miles, 100-ish k, job done. Check out that blue sky. And I felt so lucky to have a blue sky. Lovely little treat, nice January fresh winter day. And lots of cyclists out. Like to see that. So I've now hit the Brampton Valley Way. I am just at Market Harbour. A few dog walkers around. Hoping as I get a bit further that might clear up a little bit, so I've got a bit less, a bit fewer obstacles to navigate. But yeah, it's a lovely morning. So here we got it, tunnel number 1. This is Oxenden Tunnel, 481 metres. So it's a cyclist dismount and walk unless you have good lights. I got good lights. Always but when busy, others may not have lights to be able to see you. Safety, health and safety briefing before we go on in there. But yeah, let's go. We're in. You can't see me. But let's go. Woo! A few potholes. I love these tunnel sections. They feel really fun. Nice little adventure, but good lights really are recommended if you're riding these sections. There is light at the end of the tunnel. There's also a very big puddle. Right, back in daylight. What a lovely morning. So once I got away from Market Harbour, the track's quietened down more. It's lovely having these outdoor spaces for people to enjoy, but it's also nicer when there's fewer dog walkers to navigate around. And sometimes there can be a few down here, but these spaces are for everyone to enjoy. Okay, so we're now approaching Kelmarsh Tunnel, the second tunnel from Market Harbour. And much like the first tunnel, dark and lights needed, but so much fun. And then it was the last bit of the Brampton Valley Way that I was riding down in the Northamptonshire direction before I took a turn off to do a little loop of Pitsford Water. So I'm off the Brampton Valley Way and now a bit of gravelling. we have a little lap of Pitsford Water. I really love this little loop, the bits around the water, the easy tracks around the outside. I love this little section through the woodland. It was a really lovely little find riding around Pitsford Water, and especially lucky with the weather I was having. This time of year for off-road riding though, well, any rides it really, constant bike cleaning. So nice, so nice. And I was treated to some rather unusual mid-ride entertainment from a local group of mountain bikers. Really nice people. Yeah, some impressive handstands there. Okay, so I'm back on the road after Brampton Valley Way, Pitsford Water, lovely. And now I'm on the road, hopefully riding to my favourite cafe. And the route is very hilly. Well, it feels very hilly. But blue sky day, wow. Come on, let's do this. Finally, some descending. Gosh, that was a lot of climbing. But amazing day. And then the best bit, made it to the cafe. Cappuccino, soup, life is good. Home, and I guess it's time for some bike cleaning. So my camera cut off before I finished filming, but anyway, hope you enjoyed the video, and yeah, see you again soon.